London's Walmsley Studios isn't just any student stay. It's the home that you have always dreamed of. Previously known as Liberty House, the property offers a range of bright, airy, and modern studio accommodations to choose from. Each room here comes furnished with a comfortable bed, private bathroom, study desk, and fully equipped kitchenette. When you feel like stepping out of your room, there's a plethora of activities waiting to keep you engaged. Enjoy a game of foosball, pool, and ping pong at the expansive common areas, or take a break and relax in the outdoor courtyard basking in the sun. For those looking to stay active, the on-site gym is open 24/7 for residents to use at their convenience. Make Walmsley Studios your home, and you'll be just minutes from the City University of London. While King's College, UCL, and London South Bank University are also within easy reach. On weekends, head to Clerkenwell Green to join the crowds spilling out of the Crown, a classic Victorian pub, or dine in complete darkness at Dan's Lenore. And if you're looking for a quick bite, Leather Lane Market offers a wide variety of delectable street food at unbeatable prices. Your ideal student living experience awaits you at Walmsley Studios. Book your spot now by visiting amberstudent.com and make your dream a reality.